In this video lecture, I'm going to discuss how to do the powerful combination with Ollama Cline ornith for free coding. So if I go into this command prompt, if I write there Ollama version, so you can see 31 version that install. If I write there Cline version, then you can see there 13 3.0 that install. So the next is let's write there Ollama. You can see this all that's come there. If you scroll down, then you can see Cline that install. So that this option that's come there, press right arrow. Then you can use this model. So on it that I already installed, so that this here you can get this option. So let's select the on it, press enter. So press enter. Now you can see the model is ornith and Cline that comes with the Ollama. Now the next is you can ask any question related with the coding. So here, writing give sum of digits program in Python. So give sum of digits program in Python. You can ask any question related with the coding. So currently this is thinking, and this will return the output as soon as possible. Turning there, iterative, clean, efficient. This is the code. Second is more Python for beginners. This is the code. Recursive function. This is the code. Okay, this is written. Then after you can ask any question, any query there. So this is how we can do the powerful combination with this Ollama Cline ornith. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So my video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.